So that's like 4 months ago. Received this, was just $20. This was from, I don't remember where I got this from, probably from trading Bitcoin as well. So $20 right now, that's $60 right there. $60 in just a couple of months. So imagine if that was 1,000. That would have been what? What's up, YouTube fam? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, I'm going to be looking at something really interesting. So Bitcoin stats, the price is as it is going up right now. So we're in a sort of an uptrend, even though it's going up and down every now and then. But mostly the trend is up on the Bitcoin. So basically, as you can see, I got zero balance right here. Why? I took out the last bit of Bitcoin that I had, invested them on a short bit bot, which I'm trading my account with. I'm trying to increase my Bitcoin because if it's just sitting here in the wallet, it's not doing anything. If you just have one Bitcoin and it stays one Bitcoin, yes, the value is going up, but if you can double it using some trading strategies, then I think that's just better. So that's what I did. Took out my recent earnings from trading Bitcoin, and that I just put it back, funded my account. So if you want to learn more, I think I'm going to leave a card on somewhere on this video. Just click on that, watch the playlist on how to trade Bitcoin using some simple strategy that you can learn today. So anyways, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my last transactions and how Bitcoin has changed in prices, making it worth more. My oldest transaction that I have here is from last year, October. Let me just double check for you. That's when I really started doing some transactions with Bitcoin. So let me just say the oldest one. Let's scroll way to the bottom. Okay, that's October 25th, 2018. So about less than a year ago, that's when I really started using cryptocurrencies that much, and I fell in love with it. And right now, I'm just using cryptocurrency almost every single day. And if you want to know how I'm doing this, how I'm earning cryptocurrency, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so you never miss a video, and just look around on my channel. You see different ways that you can make money. Especially right now, the biggest one that I'm focusing on is hashing ad space, where you just earn for viewing ads. We have a BTCSpinner. So if you check the links down below, the playlist, there's a BTCSpinner videos that I released on there. So that's like automated making Bitcoin with spinning a Bitcoin spinner using a script that I provided for free. So anyone can download it and just start mining every single day. What I want to, as you can see, this is October 25 last year. I want to show you this amazing stats that I'm looking at. So Bitcoin right now, according to today's value, this amount of Bitcoin which I sent last year, 25 October, is now worth $11. That's upward. That's 2 times the value that it was back then, $6. So what I'm trying to explain here is just to get you to start accumulating some Bitcoin and just leaving it in your wallet for the long term. That's what we are trying to build with this hashing space, where you just earn your Bitcoin, and other ways that I'm showing you on how to earn Bitcoin, whether it's on Telegram bots using trading Bitcoin. Trading Bitcoin is actually more profitable because you're just doubling your Bitcoin. I'm going to show you my trade thing on the next video of Bitcoin. So just check out the links and the playlist so that you can learn how to trade Bitcoin. But anyways, as you can see, this now 2 times. It's worth 2 times just less than a year later on. So if I had 1 Bitcoin right there, that would have been 2 times more. That value, I would have made quite a lot of money. So let's just go up again. So I'm going to show you, this was October. Let's try something in November. So November last year, 56 cents right there is now worth what, $1. So that's also 2 times. Say December 11, 2018. Let's see the value when it was received. $3 is now $11. So back in December, I received this $3 probably from Crypto Tab right there. That's another way that I'm making cryptocurrencies with. So I started with Crypto Tab last year. It made me over $100 right now. Yeah, just over $100. I made a video about it, talking about it a couple of weeks ago. You can also look that on the playlist. So $3 back in December, that's about 7 months ago, is now worth $11. So the cryptocurrency is all about just waiting for that perfect moment to withdraw. And right now, Bitcoin is expected, I think you saw by my thumbnail, Bitcoin is expected to go past that 20K that it was mid-year last year. People are expecting it to go upwards to 100K and plus. So I'm just saying, I know we say it's too late to get onto cryptocurrency, onto Bitcoin, because 2010, that's when it was worth a couple of cents. But right now is really a good opportunity to jump onto this wave and start keeping your cryptocurrencies, your Bitcoin, because it's going to go up. It's going to go really up. So right now is the best moment to start accumulating your Bitcoins. Start spinning daily. Start, I don't know, whatever you can do to get your Bitcoin. Keep them in your wallet and try to keep them in separate wallets, because you know, people are being hacked every single day of their Bitcoin. So I have like 3 different wallets that I use, but I mostly use blockchain. It's really safe. So blockchain, you can just Google it on Play Store or on Google and then just create your account. It's free. You can also use something like Trust Wallet, or you can buy a device type of wallets that you can keep and store. Even though I don't prefer those, I just prefer having access to my Bitcoin wherever I am, so that they're not just on one device that I can lose at some point. So blockchain is a good wallet. You can also use Trust Wallet. I think I'll leave some links down below for good blockchain wallets that you can, cryptocurrency wallets that you can use. So just check the links down below. I will leave some good ones that I use, that I trust. So anyways, going up, so this was, let's say, March 27. Let's just see this one. So this one is actually, I think I sent this one to a scam website. Yeah, this is $60 right there. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is just March 2019. This is how many months ago? March, April, May, June, July. So that's like 4 months ago. About 3 months ago right there. So the value when I received this was just $20. This was from, I don't remember where I got this from. Probably from trading Bitcoin as well. So $20 right now, that's $60 right there. $60 in just a couple of months. So imagine if that was 1,000, that would have been what, 4 times more there. That would have been $4,000 right there for you. 3,000 for free for just holding your cryptocurrency. This is what I'm trying to let you know, so that for those who don't know how cryptocurrency works, or who just are scared to start keeping cryptocurrency, if you can get it for free, better. If you can buy it, if you have money to buy it, that's even better. That's much better. That's why I'm saying, if you can try to trade, risk $10 and start trading cryptocurrency, the strategies that I shared, just go into my playlist and check out the trading videos, the trading playlist, and learn the strategy. Start trading Bitcoin, because look at this. This is amazing. $20 is now worth $60. That's just 3 months ago. And Bitcoin right now is going up, even though it fell down from 13,000 back to 11,000 where it is right now. But it's still going to go up. Let's see, $30 right there. How much is it worth now? Let's see. Okay, so $30, that's up from $20, from $10. So that's 3 times. Beautiful. $10 is now worth $30 in Bitcoin. Let's see, this was March 27, and then April 2019. $21 is now $60. Really, guys, come on. You have to start getting your cryptocurrency in your wallets right now. This is amazing stats. I wish I actually just kept this cryptocurrency. I mean, my account could have been looking really nice right now. So yeah, it's about the patience. It's about patience with these type of things. It's really just about patience. April right now, I had all these, all these transactions that I was receiving from trading, from mining and so forth. $10, $24, but really this one right here is the best one. So just the previous one, this 21 value. So that was April the 1st. $21 is now worth $60. This is really amazing. This is really amazing. So as you can see, there's the power of cryptocurrency. There's the power of getting cryptocurrency. As I said again, hashing your space is a good start for those who want to start getting cryptocurrency, because you earn the Asimi token, then you trade it for Bitcoin later on when you reach $50 worth of Asimi token. So that's the first one. You can also trade with the Shortbit bot. So I'm going to leave the links down below to a video where I explained how to trade cryptocurrency, starting with just I think $5 to $10. That's my minimum that I recommend. And then there's a course that you can learn, which is also very cheap right now. So check the links down below. Start trading Bitcoin, and then start making such amount of money. It's very easy and straightforward. This is what your account could be looking like in the next 3, 4, 5 months, where you have $10 in your account, and then you triple it. Is now 4 times, 3 times more than what it was, because that's 3 times more the value right there. So imagine if you put $1,000 right now, and then in end of this year you have 4,000, 5,000 that account. Free money, passive income. This is another way to make passive income right there. Just buying cryptocurrency and storing them. So yeah, as you can see, I've been just trading in and out, but really, when it comes, if you don't need your cryptocurrency, if you don't need the amount of money that you have in cryptocurrency, just leave it in your wallet. $7, $16, 2 times. 2x. My wallet could have been worth at least 500 to $1,000 if I've kept all this cryptocurrency that I've been trading with. But then I don't regret it, because right now trading cryptocurrencies, I'm withdrawing every time I need some money with some extra bit of cash on the side. So that's why I also just believe in trading the cryptocurrency. So instead of just storing it there, but storing it there makes it more. Trading makes it at least 10x, because you are doubling your account and then the currency value is going up. So you trade in cryptocurrency, you don't change it. You trade it as Bitcoin. And as I said, the video that I'm going to link down below, it shows you how you trade Bitcoin and keeping Bitcoin, so that let's say you fund an account like what I did yesterday in the video. This $7, but then this is how my account looks like. So this is what is in my account when I fund it, that amount. So then if I get with a 10x leverage on that short bit bot, so right now it's legit. I've proven it. I've withdrawn from it quite a lot of times. So when I trade with this, when I double it, it's going to be at least a 1 right there. So it's going to be a 1, 2. So I just keep on doubling this. So it's better than having this sit in my account and then just as Bitcoin goes up, obviously it's going to, let's say it goes up 2 times, then it's going to be $14. But then if I'm trading it right now and then I double this account, then that means I'm going to have at least 4 times the amount that is right there. So that's why I say trading cryptocurrency is better than just keeping it there. But then if you don't want to take the risk, then just keep your cryptocurrency in your wallet. But what I'm stressing is that get cryptocurrency in your wallet, at least Bitcoin, mostly Bitcoin. Focus on Bitcoin. If you can get XRP, that's also good. Those are really promising to go up, like way up, as well as Bitcoin Cash. So I have other Telegram bots that you can check out that you can earn these coins like LTC, Bitcoin Cash, and I think LTC, Bitcoin Cash, and the Dogecoin. So you can get those with the Telegram bots that I'm going to leave down below for just spending a few minutes every single day viewing ads. Then you can accumulate those coins during your free time, during the day, your day. So yeah, this was all about Bitcoin and how you can start making money with it. Passive income right there. So thank you. I appreciate your time, taking your time to watch this video all the way to the end. So if you're one of those people, shout out to you right now, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.